Assalamu alaikum students, we are going to solve question number 6 of exercise 1D. Given that t is inversely proportional to s cube, copy and complete the table. Okay, in this question we have to find out these missing values. So in this solution, first we have to copy the table, and in question we have t is inversely proportional to s cube. So first we have to form an equation by removing this proportional into equals to by putting a constant over here. Okay, so where we have both s and t value, we are going to use this value for finding k. So this is our equation number 1. Put s equals to 1 and t equals to 80 in equation 1. T equals to 80 here, k 1 upon s cube means 1 cube. So 80 equals to k upon 1 cube means 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1, k multiplied by 1 k here, so k equals to 80. Okay, put k equals to 80 in equation 1. T equals to 80 upon s cube. This is our equation A that we are going to use to fill the table. From table we get s equals to 2 and we have to calculate t here. Put s equals to 2 here, t equals to 80 divided by 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, and then again multiply by 2, we will get 8. 2 cube is 8. T equals to 80 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 tens are 80, and t here is 10. Similarly, when s equals to 4, we have to calculate t. So this part I am leaving on you. You have to calculate this value of t and fill it in the table. I am solving here when t equals to 0.08, find the value of s. Okay. By using this equation, t equals to 80 upon s cube. This time I have to find out s cube here. By cross multiplication we get ts cube equals to 80 here. Then we move t on the other hand side of the equals to, we get x cube equals to 80 divided by 2. By putting the value of t here, we get s cube equals to 80 divided by 0.08. Now I am going to use calculator for calculating the value of s cube here. 80 divided by 0.08 equals to 1000. So we have s cube equals to 1000. For finding s, we have to take cube root on both sides. Cube root of s cube equals to cube root of 1000. This cube root and cube will be cancel each other and s equals to 10. When s is 2, the value of t is 10. When t is 0.08, the value of s is 10. Now you have to complete the table. It's your homework.